and there are plenty of those packing into the northwest. There are quite some hefty showers. We'll move on to those in a moment. The legacy of all this, well, some real problems for travellers, particularly on ferries across the northern parts of the British Isles, and also Channel and North Sea crossings could experience some delays, but you'll be able to catch up with the details on Ceefax, and also problems still for high-sided vehicles, particularly in Scotland, where the winds will remain strong and gusty through the rest of the day, and indeed overnight tonight and into tomorrow. But across England and Wales, those winds should be dying down through the next 24 hours or so. Well, you can see that those winds have turned to the west and are blowing in brighter skies. That's Birmingham, and those brighter skies will be heading down into the southeast of England through the afternoon. But we'll keep the gusty winds going. You may have noticed the camera wiggling around, gusts of 40 to 60 miles an hour in many areas. And the showers that I mentioned earlier, well, they're going to be falling as snow up at the hills of northwest Scotland, so some more problems there. But at least we'll find that brighter weather coming down into the southeast as the worst of the wind and rain moves off into the near continent, and it will be turning colder as those winds swing to the west and the northwest through the afternoon. Lots of isobars. This is the weather front that's caused the problems, moving out of the way. Another one heading our way for later tomorrow, but in the meantime the wind's easing for a while. They will remain strong up to the northwest, more of those wintry showers piling in there overnight, but the wind's easing across southeastern parts of Britain, and here underneath the clear skies there could be just a touch of frost here and there, but thankfully things not as cold as they've been in Turkey. Erzurum recording a new record last night, -29°C. That's where the clear skies are across Europe at the moment. You can see we've got a lot of cloud across the Balkans, and we've got our cloud up to the northwest. Both those areas experience some rather unsettled weather during today, and it's all down to low pressure. This little low in the Mediterranean and low pressure coming in off the Atlantic, bringing those weather systems in. So for tomorrow, bright enough start, that early frost in the southeast, but the cloud piling in from the west, bringing some showers with it, and across northern hills some of those showers are going to be wintry, and there are the rest of the temperatures between about 8 and 9°C across the United Kingdom. That's the forecast.